Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. We are in front of a beautiful 1966 true SS big block 4-speed Chevelle. Step up and look under the hood with me. Here we go. It's a 396 4-speed M21. The car has been restored in '92 and it's only been driven 4,600 miles since we purchased it. The gentleman actually lived on a dirt road, so he never wanted to take the vehicle out, and as you can see why, you don't want to mess this one up. It's beautiful. It is not numbers matching, but it's correct date coded. It's about a month off in production. Power steering, power front disc brakes, hooker competition headers. It's beautiful. It drives awesome too. Really enjoy driving this one. As you can see in the pictures, it's a very straight car. The only thing I could find is in the passenger rear quarter bottom. It looks like there was a small patch put in. Besides that, as you can see, actually has the VIN stamping in our photographs. You can actually see the VIN stamping on the rear quarters. You can also join us on VanguardMotorsales.com and check out our pictures, and also you can join us on Facebook, Vanguard Motor Sales. Actually, Facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales, and you can become fans of ours on Facebook, so you can check out our inventory as we get it. As you can see, this Chevelle has a slanted antenna in the back on the passenger side, and the rear back panel's blacked out. That was unique to the cars built in Atlanta. All the chrome on this car is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look under the trunk here. Wow, it's beautiful in there. And once again, you can see more photographs on our website, www.VanguardMotorsales.com, and just click on inventory and you can find this beauty. We got plenty of undercarriage pictures. You know, everything's on there. It also has a 12-bolt rear end, which was unique to the SS's. Nothing like the sound of good old metal. It's got the racing weld wheels, the stars. They look great on this car. Pretty soon we'll take a look inside the interior too, and it's absolutely beautiful in there. The motor's only got about I think around 800 miles on it. Yep, 800 miles since it's been rebuilt. Look at this interior. Can't believe the bottom of the door lips too. They're all flawless. We got pictures of those online as well. It's got the beautiful console with the 4-speed. Once again, it's an M21 4-speed Muncie. Everything's been redone in the interior. It's beautiful in there. guys ready to go for a ride in this Super Sport? Well, I got to tell you, this is, I know I say this often because all the cars we buy I like a lot, so I won't buy a car unless I like it. So you are going to hear me say I like this one a lot, but this one, what a pleasure to drive with the 4-speed, the power steering, the disc brakes. I mean, it's so easy to drive, and you know, I wouldn't hesitate to let my wife drive this one around. It's real easy to drive. You don't have to struggle steering or braking, and it's just a beautiful car. And you can see in our pictures, the undercarriage once again is so solid and clean. It's got an aftermarket tachometer and a few gauges. All the gauges work down here. The oil pressure and your temp gauge down here work. The ones up here are disconnected, but the fuel gauge up there and the battery works great. And it's real easy to tell if this is a true Super Sport. It's a 138 VIN versus a 136 VIN. Oh yeah, feel that ride. I think this one we need to take out on 7 Mile, open it up a little bit. Clean out the curbing a little bit. It's ready to go. You guys to make sure you're holding on. Hopefully there's no police out here today. We'll just tell them we're shooting a video to give our viewers the real aspect of this vehicle, you know. You ready? Little launch right here. That was fun. Oh yeah, she's a screamer. So if you've been looking for a beautiful 66 Chevelle, true SS, big block, 4-speed, we are committed to putting your dream in your driveway. Give Tom a call today. You deserve it.